In this vast sea, the Vinta we call the Ateneo de Zamboanga University sails bravely onward as one Ateneo community. Faith grounds our mission. Fellowship strengthens our community, guiding us as pilgrims of hope on this shared journey. This year's theme, Compañerismo, companionship, united in purpose and action, building bridges towards reconciliation, calls us to journey as companions, building bridges, finding healing, and steering our Vinta to greater horizons. What have we achieved, and how can we, as a united community, explore the uncharted seas ahead? ADZU provides students with spaces to integrate faith and explore truths beyond the classroom. Through immersive journeys, the ADZU community experiences transformation and deepens appreciation for one another. ADZU continues to advance instruction, ensuring students receive excellent, future-ready education. Beyond the classroom, ADZU shines through milestones in academics, innovation, and community, together as companions committed to forming leaders who serve. Through Global Paths initiatives, ADZU empowers students with international engagement, leadership skills, and global awareness, learning and growing together to become responsible leaders and agents of change. ADZU strengthens mission partnerships, dialogue with local leaders, workshops and initiatives, empowering the community for truth and positive change. The bridges we built affirm ADZU as a catalyst for transformation, showing what is possible when we act together. The ADZU Vinta is more than a vessel. It moves forward through dreamers and weavers. Our milestones were made possible because we journeyed together, united by a shared mission. In companionship, we are united in purpose and action, collaborating, adapting, and striving for excellence and meaningful engagement, always for God's greater glory. Let's move forward hand in hand. Through Compañerismo, we grow with excellence, magis, and cura personalis, together.